Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can stop OneDrive from syncing with your desktop icons. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my desktop and this is how the homepage looks like. So the first thing that you need to do guys is open File Explorer. If you don't find it here in your desktop or in your taskbar, go ahead and click on the Start menu and then search for File Explorer. Once you find it, go ahead and click on Open. And then once you're here, as you can see guys in the left, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find Home, Gallery, and right here you're going to find OneDrive. So go ahead and right click on OneDrive. Then right here, you're going to find all of these options. Here you're going to find the option to copy it, expand it, open in a new tab, open in a new window, pin to quick access, and so on. Here you're going to find always keep on this device, free of space, and right here, you're going to find OneDrive. So go ahead and click on OneDrive, and then right here, you're going to find view online, settings, and right here, you're going to find folder color. Go ahead and click on settings, and then once you do that, right here, you're going to find all of the sections. Make sure you have this PC linked first of all, and then go to sync and backup. Then right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find backup important PC folders to OneDrive. Backup your desktop, documents, and pictures folder to OneDrive so they're protected and available on other devices. Go ahead and click on manage backup. And then here, as you can see guys, you're going to find documents, pictures, desktop, music, and videos. So basically guys, if you find desktop enabled, make sure you disable this option. And then once you disable desktop, make sure you click on save changes. So all of your changes will be saved. After that, just go back and then you're good to go. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.